Practice English listening. The ice cream truck. It's a hot summer afternoon, and Noah is playing outside in his backyard. The sun is shining brightly, and the heat makes everything feel warm. Noah wipes his forehead and thinks, I wish I had something cold to eat. Just then, he hears a familiar sound in the distance, the cheerful jingle of the ice cream truck. Noah's eyes light up with excitement. The ice cream truck is coming, he shouts, running towards the front yard. Noah, what's all the excitement about? His mom asks, coming out of the house. The ice cream truck is here, Mom. Can I please have some money to buy an ice cream? Noah asks, jumping up and down with joy. His mom smiles and reaches into her pocket. Of course, Noah. Here's some money. Make sure to get something cool and refreshing, she says, handing him a few dollars. Thank you, Mom, Noah says, giving her a quick hug before running towards the street. As Noah reaches the curb, he sees the colorful ice cream truck slowly driving down the street, playing its cheerful tune. Other kids from the neighborhood are also running out of their houses, excited to buy some ice cream. The truck stops in front of Noah's house, and the ice cream man opens the window. Hello there. What can I get for you today? He asks with a friendly smile. Noah looks at the menu on the side of the truck. There are so many options. Chocolate cones, vanilla sundaes, strawberry popsicles, and rainbow sherbet. It's hard to choose, but Noah knows exactly what he wants. I'd like a chocolate ice cream cone, please, he says. Coming right up, the ice cream man replies. He takes a cone and scoops a big, round ball of chocolate ice cream onto it. He hands it to Noah, who carefully takes it with both hands. Thank you, Noah says, handing over the money. You're welcome. Enjoy your ice cream, the ice cream man says as he serves the next customer. Noah walks back to his yard, carefully licking the ice cream to keep it from melting too quickly. The cold, sweet taste is perfect on such a hot day. He sits down under a shady tree and watches as the other kids get their ice creams. His friend Mia walks over with a big strawberry popsicle. Hi, Noah. What did you get? She asks, taking a bite of her popsicle. I got a chocolate ice cream cone, Noah says, smiling. It's so good. I love strawberry popsicles, Mia says. They're so fruity and refreshing. The two friends sit together under the tree, enjoying their cold treats. They talk about their favorite ice cream flavors and the fun things they want to do during the summer. I hope the ice cream truck comes every day, Noah says, licking his cone. Me too, Mia replies. It's the best part of summer. As they finish their ice cream, Noah's little sister, Lily, runs up to them with a big grin. She's holding a rainbow sherbet in a cup. Look what I got, she says, showing them her colorful treat. That looks delicious, Lily, Noah says. Rainbow sherbet is one of my favorites. Lily nods happily. It's so tasty. I love all the colors. The three of them sit together, laughing and talking about all the different ice cream flavors. Noah feels happy and content, surrounded by his friends and family, enjoying a perfect summer day. After a while, the ice cream truck starts to play its tune again and slowly drives away, heading to the next street. Noah waves goodbye to the ice cream man, feeling grateful for the delicious treat. Thanks for the ice cream, Mom, Noah says, running back to the house. You're welcome, Noah. I'm glad you enjoyed it, his mom replies. As the sun begins to set, Noah thinks about how much fun he had today. He hopes the ice cream truck will come back soon. Until then, He knows he'll have lots of fun playing with his friends and enjoying the long sunny days of summer.